How's it going? I'm Troy Zukowski, and this is my 2010 R35 GTR. It is a CBA, and it is just currently wrapped 3M Gloss Deep Space Color Shift. So it's a little blue, purple, teal, green, and kind of gold when the sun hits it. It's full bolt-on. It makes 625 all-wheel horsepower and 608 pounds of torque. I upgraded the wheels. I run 285s and 335s on Michelin Super Sports. I have carbon fiber pretty much all over the place, front lip, my side grille, side skirts, rear diffuser. My interior is all carbon fiber. It's a lot of fun. We rally the hell out of it. It's always a good time. All-wheel drive is awesome. Probably one of the quicker cars, minus the other GTRs that are really fast, but it's a very, very good ride.
Cool. And you're the owner?
I am the owner. Yeah, so I'm the owner of Rally Kings. This dude behind the camera is my brother.
What's up, guys? This is my brother Troy.
This is GTR. I know we showed his wrap being done in a few of the videos, and now that it's finished, it looks crazy. Carbon mirrors, carbon skirt, side vents, some sick wheels, front lip. This part's carbon. Pretty much everything is carbon that you can think of on this car, which is sick. And these wheels look great.